So my brother came visiting today and he was just going all over my apartment, picking up stuff, observing stuff, looking at stuff. And all of a sudden he picked up this pen off the table and he said to me, "Oh, you have a stylus pen." I'm like, "What? No, I don't." And so he literally picked up my phone and began to scribble on my phone with this thing. I'm like, "What? Somebody gifted that to me. I did not even know that it could do that." I was just mind fucked. And it got me to thinking, what about us and the gifts that we have? What about us? What about you and the gifts that you've been blessed with? Have you observed your gifts long enough to know what your gifts can be used for, to know the potential of your gifts? Have you begun to use your gifts? Have you begun to explore them to the point where you're beginning to see the potential? Because, honey, if you don't use, if you don't engage, if you don't explore your gifts, you'll never know the potential of your gifts. You never know how far it can take you, how far it can take others. So this video, I'm trying to implore you to begin to explore your gifts, whatever they are. Start now, all right?